Everyone, this is Coach Julio. So many people these days have a foam roller, and if you're trying to order one from Amazon, good luck. But I'm pretty sure they're going to restock and you'll get one. So for those who do have this, I'm going to show you a couple of exercises that you may not have think of that you can use with the foam roller. So part one. Everyone loves lunges and stuff like that, split squats, but a lot of times when people do them, they actually don't get low enough. What's low enough? Low enough is both knees are almost 90 degrees. A lot of times it's because of the muscle imbalances we have in our hips. And I guess this exercise you can actually do with a broomstick or something similar to that. So what am I going to do? I'm going to have this on my open side. I'm going to drop and see my range, and then I'm up. So here's a split squat. It's not necessarily a lunge, but it can lead to one. And then I'm up. So that's my balance part. You know, I take that away and I can focus on depth. 90-90 and then up. So that's one exercise. So that's a knee dominant. What I also suggest is the structure of any exercises is very important. I would recommend before doing knee exercises is to actually do a hip exercise. We get the glute medius and all those happy muscles, the booty lift, and then it actually stabilizes the knee. So now I'm going to show a single leg hip hinge. Hip hinge, hip hinge, hip hinge. Tapping the foam roller, hip hinge. What is good range? Ideally your chest and your back leg is parallel to the floor. Your hips are square. That's the best I can do. My heel is flexed, my foot, my energy is going that way, and then if I didn't have that, I would be here. I just made a new exercise. Let me try. There's my cameraman. Let's see. Oop, oop. All right, do another one. Here we go. I bet there's nothing original. Just made that up. Why not?